Hi there, I'm Joanne Connolly. I'm a veterinarian, wildlife researcher, and a member of the Narrandera Koala Committee. The koalas in Narrandera are actually introduced or translocated in the 1970s from French Island in Victoria, from near Lismore in New South Wales, and a couple from across the border in southeast Queensland. And this occurred with the assistance of New South Wales Parks and Wildlife, and also Council and the Rotary Club of Narrandera. So there's been an annual koala count, weather permitting, ever since 1989. And this means it's the longest running citizen science monitoring program in Australia. It's now scheduled for the third weekend in September, which coincides with the presence of back young, so we can detect whether they're breeding and there's recruitment occurring. And it is also September is the Save the Koala month. So the koala population has grown and it appeared healthy, but there hadn't been any scientific studies performed until the first study of the Narrandera koala population occurred in 2022, when 18 koalas were microchipped, ear-tagged, and health checked by Parks and Wildlife. Since then, now there is a 3-year population health survey occurring on this sentinel population, coinciding with the koala strategy, where the New South Wales government spent $190 million on this research. So this is in conjunction with Taronga Conservation Society and New South Wales National Parks and Wildlife Service. So wildlife audio or acoustic monitors, song meters, were set out during the breeding season to pick up the sounds of males calling. So that's late spring, early summer. And this is to help us detect occupancy and where the koalas are. This was then followed up with drones that had thermal cameras, and these were used to locate the koalas for the survey, and also to give an estimate of the the population size of the koalas in Narrandera. The koalas were brought in for health checks. They were anaesthetised. They had ear tags placed. They had microchips positioned. They were fitted with collars that had solar GPS and also backup VHF radio transmitting. Blood samples were collected and swabs to check for their genetic diversity and for the presence of any disease agents. And so the koalas in Narrandera, starting from 19 in the 1970s, have now grown to a population of about 300 koalas, and they have spread along the Murrumbidgee. They've gone to Darlington Point, as far as Wagga, to Leeton as well. So they appear to be healthy. None of them have chlamydia. They're in good body condition, and they're genetically diverse, which is great news. You can help koala conservation by planting eucalypt trees in your region, keeping your dogs on a leash if you're walking them in koala regions, and also when you're driving a car, particularly dusk and dawn, keep to the speed limit and just be aware of wildlife. But come along to the Koala Count this September, and you're sure to see some koalas and maybe some babies as well. See you there.